What's good, YouTube? It's your one Nickel Go. You already know. And today on Nick's Kicks, we have another unboxing, and this one's coming from Union LA. I'm really excited about this package, and most of y'all are probably thinking he got the Jordan 4s. Well, you thought wrong. Fortunately, we did not got the Jordan 4s. I'm kicking myself because I definitely could have since it was high stock, but I played it safe and went for the Delta mids. But I mean, hey, at least we copped something. It was a pretty crazy release, but with all that said and done, make sure you guys like, subscribe, the whole shebang, and let's get into this unboxing and see what these look like in hand. A little bit backstory, Union dropped these first since it was like their store. It took a really long time. I ordered these like in August, and it's September like 21st or something. So it kind of took a while. But, nevertheless, they are here. Oh, we got the cool box. I thought we were going to get the basic Jordan box. Alright, so we got a little Union receipt. Woo-wee. This box is sick. Alright, let me get this. Oh. Alright. So, here is the Union box. It is the same exact thing as the, what should I say? The Jordan 4s box would have. It's got Michael Jordan's hands with Union, pretty cool. And then it's got a blue bottom with, it says Union right there, which is pretty cool. These are a size 13, which is probably one of the better sizes. Definitely more rare because I don't think a lot of people even focus on these. So resale is a little bit kind of all over the place. People have sold for upwards of $1,500 and as low as $300. So right now for this size, it's kind of consistent around $550 is where I'm priced up at right now on GOAT. And let's just see what these look like. Alright, definitely a really nice quality box. Ooh, look at this paper. It smells really cool, but it's got Michael Jordan right there. Definitely super sick. Woo-wee. Alright, alright. So this is the Jordan Delta Mid in the Union colorway. I haven't even really seen this shoe before, but it is kind of cool. It's more of a kind of Jordan's kind of like take on like a designer shoe, I guess is what they said. But the details here, of course, are going to have the little Union LA badging, and then you got kind of this like age kind of midsole look to it, or like a yellowish. It's React, so I'm assuming it's pretty comfortable. But the uppers is kind of like a black, navy, bluish color with a little bit of red, so kind of like a red, white, blue colorway. And then we got a little bit of Union up there. It's kind of hard to see. Let's get the other shoe out. But props to Union because this paper is dope. And here we go. Yeah, these are definitely really cool. Smell good. And then it's gonna say for this one, it says Union there. Of course, you got the Union LA badging. But, yeah, these are pretty freaking sick. Size 13, I'm just kicking myself because on the actual release date, I got in super quick because Soul Links, I don't know if you guys already follow them on Twitter. Highly recommend if you guys are trying to catch restocks or shock drops. Follow them on Twitter. They will send out the link, and you click it, and then it takes you straight to the product. And I'm kicking myself because I definitely could have gotten the Jordan 4s because I was super quick and I checked out like within seconds. But I mean, at least we got something. And I mean, I'm not complaining, but I do want to sell these before the initial Nike drop because that is going to be more pairs inflating the market. So definitely going to be the right time to sell before Nike drops. And yeah, these are pretty sick. Big fan of these. Drop a comment down below. Did you guys manage to cop anything from the Union drop on their actual website, and what will you be looking forward to coming out with Nike's actual release? These will be released along with the other Jordan Delta things in the guava colorway, not the Jordan 4s, but the Jordan 4 black nor this color will be actually releasing again on Nike, not the guava ice. The guava ice was a Union exclusive, so you did manage to cop that. Definitely hold, because those will go up more in value since they are more limited than the black pair. But if you do have the black pair, there's nothing wrong with holding it. It will still be an awesome hold, but it's just not going to have the crazy value as the Guava Ice do right now. Highly recommend copying, and hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. I'll see you guys next time on Nick's Kicks. Peace.